If you have a fenced-in yard, one of the biggest limitations of robotic mowers has always been getting from one section of the property to another. In most cases, you need to prop open the gate so that it can return to the dock and recharge as needed. But that may not work for you if you've got kids or dogs to keep in, or other animals to keep out. Although there are some brilliant engineers online who've crafted automatic gates for their robots, Navimow has provided a solution for the rest of us. The MowGate is essentially an automatic, pet-safe access door that installs directly into an existing fence. When a compatible mower approaches, the gate automatically unlocks, allows the mower to pass through, and then locks behind it. The goal is simple. Give your robot mower access to your entire property without having to leave the gates open or manually move the mower between zones. Installation is surprisingly easy, but you gotta be okay with cutting through your fence. The kit comes with a template that helps you figure out exactly how big the hole has to be. It includes optional tripod supports for wire fences with ground screws to ensure it stays perpendicular to the ground. The MowGate frame mounts directly into the fence opening and works with most common fence styles, including chain link, aluminum, and wooden fences.
Next, I'll be adding the brackets to each side. We'll do 2 brackets on each side and 3 brackets across the top. 2 screws and washers in each bracket. The screws will stick out, so I'm going to install them pointing outside the fence so that the dogs or the kids playing in the backyard, if they run into the fence or something, they don't run into the screws that are sticking out.
Unlike those DIY solutions, there's no power wiring required. The entire system is battery powered and designed to run for months on a single set of D batteries. Once installed, setup takes place inside the Navimow app. MowGate is one of 6 kinds of elements that you can add to your map. It tells the mower to slowly approach the gate and gently push its way through. When the mower arrives, the MowGate uses a Hall effect sensing system to detect the mower and trigger the unlock sequence. The mower then travels through the opening and continues mowing as if the fence wasn't there. One feature Navimow is emphasizing is pet safety. Before the gate unlocks, the mower performs a scan around the opening to verify that the area is clear. Once the mower has passed through the gate automatically closes and relocks. That means your dog stays in the yard while your mower gains access to the additional mowing zones. Where I see the MowGate being most useful is on properties with fenced backyards, side yards, or front lawns separated by gates. Instead of purchasing a second mower or manually driving your robot through the gate every week, one mower can now service multiple enclosed areas completely autonomously, even if you're not home. It also allows the mower to travel back to its charging station, even when the dock is located in a different section on the property.
This is the magnet that you need to install in the front of most of the Navimow lawnmowers. The X4 series doesn't need it as it already has it installed. As you can see, the gate is locked right now, and this magnet is what unlocks the gate. So as the lawnmower rolls up, it's going to go to the bottom here. As you can see, that turned green, and the gate unlocked.
In case you're wondering if the MowGate can be used with non-Navimow robots, the answer is maybe. The gate unlocks when it senses this magnet on the robot's bumper. But the robot would need to slowly approach the gate and disable obstacle avoidance so it can push its way through. Navimow mowers already know how to do this, so I'm not sure how practical it would be with another brand. As for cost, the Navimow MowGate currently sells for about $450 in the United States, and you'll find a link to it in the video description. It's definitely not a cheap accessory, but it is cheaper than buying a second mower. And for homeowners with fenced properties, it could eliminate one of the last major hurdles to fully autonomous lawn care. If you've been waiting for a way to let your robot mower move freely between fenced zones while keeping pets secure, the MowGate may be one of the most practical robotic mower accessories we've seen this year. Please leave me a comment with your thoughts, and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and I will see you in the next one. Hey there, if you're new to the channel, be sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon to be the first to know when new videos are posted. Look for HandyDadTV on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, and visit the website HandyDadTV for more great ideas and information.